What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to learn how to give yourself a loan using Ethereum as a collateral, and we're gonna put Ethereum as a collateral. We're gonna get a loan, give ourselves a loan. We're gonna get DAI. DAI is the equivalent of US dollar, and then you can do whatever that you want with that DAI. You can convert it to another coin, maybe more Ethereum if you think so, or just send your DAI to Coinbase, cash it out into your bank account. I don't know, do whatever that you want, buy a rental property if you have a lot of Ethereum, or just pay a car payment if you have maybe one Ethereum, and so on and so on. Possibilities are endless, but basically you're giving yourself a loan. You're using Maker in order to do so. You're using the Maker protocol, and every time you take a loan, and a lot of people do, basically the Maker coin gets burned and theoretically should go up. This is like a side note. That's why I love Maker as a long-term hold as well. But let's get started. This is the website, Makerdao.com. I will probably link it in the bio or something. Makerdao.com/English. Let's get started with this. And instead of just watch the video, you can click play video and watch it for yourself, but I'm gonna click use DAI. So let's click use DAI. So I clicked get DAI, and this is the website. The next step, we are at oasis.app. It's a new interface. They had a different interface before. First option is savings. I don't care about that. I mean, I care about it, but I'm not gonna save my DAI and get passive income. At least not today. That's not why we are here. We're gonna scroll all the way down to here, where you can click open a Maker vault, deposit collateral, and generate DAI. That's what you're gonna do basically. So we're gonna click here, deposit collateral, Ethereum, generate DAI, give yourself a loan in DAI. Click. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Oasis app is loading. Okay. Put your assets to work. Let's read a little bit. Oasis borrow. Vault make it easy to utilize your collateral by generating DAI against it. Realize liquidity through a vault and ensure you don't lose long exposure to your collateral. So basically, let's say you put, I don't know, I have like $200 in my MetaMask Ethereum. You put $200 Ethereum collateral, and you generate like a loan of $100 DAI. We're gonna see the details exact in a minute or so. And basically Ethereum now at around 500, but it's gonna say if Ethereum goes down to like 400, something like that, then they're gonna liquidate your loan and gonna take your Ethereum to cover that loan unless you paid it off. Now this is very important, guys. This is a loan, but it's not a loan like regular loan that you pay every month. You can pay whenever that you want, or you cannot pay whenever. That's up to you, but your Ethereum is locked until two things happen: until you pay that loan back completely, or until Ethereum goes down to the liquidation price, which we don't want to. So try to stick to your plan, know how much you borrow, and at the end also just pay it back. That's the good thing to do. So let's click connect wallet, MetaMask, It's fine, already connected, and here we are. We got ourselves. Open your first vault to start generating. Before I move on with this, and I'm not gonna go all the way, I'm gonna do like 99% instead of just until I click approve. You can do the approve because I don't want to waste gas fees and all that stuff, and unborrow and all that stuff. This is just for tutorial. But why are you giving yourself a loan? And listen to me, guys, I prefer to be the lender. I prefer to be the lender, the staker, passive income, all that good stuff. But if you want to be the borrower instead of the banker and the lender, this is your choice. This is an option. Go to Maker, give yourself a loan. Why do it? I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a tax advisor, but it's very important. If you have Ethereum and you don't want to sell, if you think Ethereum will go up instead of down, you can generate more money, more DAI for you, and you don't have to sell. If you sell now below 12 months of holding, if you hold Ethereum less than 12 months and you just sell because it went to 500 and you think I want to sell it now, then you will have to pay short-term capital gains. This is a way to avoid it, or whatever the case. Let's say you have an emergency, you need $5,000, then you have, I don't know, $10,000 worth of Ethereum. Give yourself $5,000 loan, go fix your car, whatever the case. If you have a Bitcoin, you can do the same. There's Rep Bitcoin, a Bitcoin at almost 18, 19,000. Half of that you can give yourself $10,000 loan. Go pay off your car instead of the next 5 years, whatever the case. And lock your Bitcoin. It's pretty awesome stuff. So I'm gonna click get started. Yeah. Okay, so I'm clicking here. I clicked open vault, select collateral type. Each collateral type has its own risk. You got a few options here. I'm gonna start at the top, which is where we are. The first one, that's what we're picking. ETH A. I don't know what ETH B means. I know with ETH A, that's what I used in the past, and I'll do it again. 2% fee. That's the fee to open the loan, and that's Maker. The company makes money as well. That's 2.0. Liquidation rate 150%. We're gonna touch it once we see the numbers. And liquidation fee 13%, meaning that as soon as if we're taking, I don't know, $100 worth of DAI loan, and Ethereum is at 500, then it's gonna tell me that once Ethereum goes to 400 and I haven't closed that loan and paid it off until then not only they're gonna liquidate my Ethereum and pay off my loan, they're also gonna take 13% fee. So pay attention for Ethereum price if you are going to doing this route and give yourself a loan using Ethereum as collateral. My balance 0.4. I just put $200 Ethereum for this purpose on my MetaMask. You got other options in here: balancer, Wi-Fi, Chainlink. So you can use other assets as well. 0x, Kyber Network, Rep Bitcoin, pretty awesome. USDC stablecoin, pretty awesome. Basic attention. So it's not just Ethereum. You can open as many vaults as you want with as many coins that you have. It's pretty awesome stuff. You can even do, I don't know, get from BlockFi USDC 8.6% basically passive income interest, and take that interest and give yourself a loan. There's so much stuff that you can do in DeFi space. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you took a loan and if you gain any value from this tutorial and everything else that I provide you. So let's click continue. Then it said deposit. You see, we're already at level 3, generate DAI. This is where we get the DAI, and then confirmation, which I'm not gonna do because I don't wanna waste fees and all that stuff. Especially now Bitcoin is starting to pump again, so people are just buying and gas prices are going up, even though we should have done this in the last 2 months where nobody wants to touch crypto. That's how it goes. Either way, deposit Ethereum and generate DAI. Comment below if you feel me. Okay, just kidding. Different collateral types have different risk parameter and collateralization ratio. So let's see. How much Ethereum would you like to lock in your vault? The amount of Ethereum you lock up determine how much DAI you can generate. So I have, it says 0.42. Let's say I'm gonna put 0.4 just for the example. And how much DAI would you like to generate from 0.4 Ethereum that I'm locking up as a collateral? Generate an amount that is safely above the liquidation ratio. The maximum I can take, it says 135 DAI. So let's just put 100 DAI. That's fine. And it says the amount of DAI you are generating is putting your vault at risk of liquidation. Why is that? The ratio here is 203% and the minimum is 150. That is fine. My liquidation price, guys, look at this, 375. Ethereum, it's current price 507. Let's say 500 just for the easy math. It's about 25% from here. So if Ethereum goes down 25% from here, what they're gonna do, they're automatically gonna pay off the $100 DAI if I didn't pay already, and they're gonna smack another 13% liquidation fee, and whatever is left, they're just gonna send the rest of the Ethereum that's left back into my basically my MetaMask wallet. something to think about. But as of now, you know, I can do that. I don't want to do it, but it's up to you. Stability fee 2%, that's a given. Maximum DAI available to generate 90 million, that's fine. It was 96 million yesterday. Just goes to when I looked about doing this tutorial. Now it's 90 million. That means that about 66 million DAI just generated as loan in the last 12 hours or so. People are, I don't know, they taking whatever that they have as assets. This is smart. Not a financial advice, but this is a smart move. You can take whatever asset that you have. Let's say you have Bitcoin. You can move it to Rep Bitcoin, put it in here, even if you have one, and generate $10,000 worth of DAI and buy, I don't know, another half a Bitcoin or another 20 Ethereum, or just cash it out. There's so many opportunities, so many options. I'm not gonna continue, but I'm gonna click continue just so you guys can see. Here's the confirmation, confirm the vault. That's super simple, and that's it. And you give yourself a loan. No bankers, no tax return, no nothing. I love Maker. Maker is a long-term bag for me. Feel free to let me know if you have it or what do you think. And every time someone takes a loan, 6 million DAI just generate. I'm doing this live. It was 96 million. There's only 90 million left now. 6 million DAI got people took loan yesterday. It's insane. And every time a loan is generated, just like this, a vault is generated, the Maker coin gets burned, and theoretically should go up because supply diminish and demand goes up. Deposit 0.4 Ethereum. I'm generating for this $100 worth of DAI. It's pretty awesome. My collateration rate 202. 150 is where they're gonna liquidate me. Also as the level 375 bucks worth of Ethereum. Ethereum is 500 plus now. Sure, it can go to 375. I hope it won't. I'm not taking this trade, but if it does, they're gonna liquidate it. They're gonna pay $100 DAI, and they're gonna smack, as I said, another liquidation fee, 13%, and the 2% fee. That's a given. If you're gonna click here, I agree and all that stuff. I understand. The stability fee is not fixed and is likely to change. Click open vault just to see how much it's gonna take as fees. I'm not gonna approve, but we'll see what we see. Insufficient. Look at this. They're gonna charge you gas fees. I'm gonna show you guys in here. Gas fee 0.10 per 0.1% Ethereum, which is pretty high. 50, almost 11% ETH. Just to open the vault, it's gonna take 55 bucks. Pretty, you know. This is not. You don't take a loan of $100. If you have, I don't know, maybe 5,000 and up, it's worth your while. $5,000 worth of Ethereum, something like that. Let's say 10 Ethereum. If you have $5,000 Ethereum, you can give yourself 2,500 and take a 2% fee, which is 50 bucks. It's the same. The fee will stay the same, but compared to 2,500 or what I get now is $100. I'm not gonna take a loan of $100 and pay 55 bucks as a fee. So I'm gonna click reject. But basically, once you click approve, you gave yourself a loan. It will show you the DAI that you have. The DAI will go automatically into your MetaMask, and you do with that as you wish. You can go to Uniswap then and swap DAI to whatever coin that you wish, or just send that DAI into your Coinbase DAI address, cash it out, do whatever that you wish. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video how to give yourself a loan or using the Makerdao protocol. Leave your comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Yeah.